The Yplus Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine wall-related parameters for computational fluid dynamics simulations. Let's look at the inputs. First, you'll select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate y plus from wall distance from y plus, velocity from y plus, friction velocity from y plus, wall shear stress from parameters, or first cell height for target y plus. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate y plus from wall distance. Next, enter your target y plus value. Then input wall distance, y in meters, density r in kilograms per cubic meter, free stream velocity u in meters per second, dynamic viscosity m in Pascal seconds, and characteristic length L in meters. Here's a worked example. I'll input 10 for all fields. Target y plus equals 10, wall distance equals 10 meters, density equals 10, velocity equals 10, viscosity equals 10, and length equals 10. After clicking Calculate, the results show y plus equals 10.745, wall distance converts to 10,000 millimeters, friction velocity is 1.0745 meters per second, wall shear stress is 11.5451 pascals, Reynolds number is 1.0 E plus 2, and skin friction coefficient is 0.023090. The mesh recommendation warns this is in the buffer layer region and suggests using wall functions or refining the mesh. This tool streamlines your CFD pre-processing workflow. Find the link in the description below.